Mic, please, of Senator Judge Cayetano.
Sir Presiding Officer, I submit and I think there's a consensus. May I ask just one question about authentication?
You may
I just want to
proceed,
be
sir.
clarified with my indulgence to the prosecution and defense. Just to the witness, please correct me kasi hindi ako techie talaga dyan. So sabi mo, pag ino-authenticate mo, you get the video tapos may hash.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you get the hash tapos you download the video. Tama po ba?
No, Your Honor. The video was screen recorded, Your Honor.
Okay, so screen recorded, then yung hash na nakuha mo.
Yung hash value po is kinalculate from the recorded po.
Okay, then you have to compare that with the original one, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the original one, yung hash niyan, nasa Facebook, tama ba?
Yung hash po, hindi po kinalculate yung hash from the Facebook. Kasi ang purpose po ng hash value is to calculate po yung value ng mismong video na ni-record ko. Dahil hindi po siya yung for authentication purpose, but for the integrity of the video that I screen recorded na if matampered siya during the time na sinubmit siya until presented in court, makikita po na iba po yung hash value.
So is there a possibility na iba yung hash ng Facebook for the same video sa hash nung sayo?
Magkaiba po talaga yun.
Magkaiba. But how do you know it's, when you authenticated, how do you know it's the same video?
I manually compared, Your Honor.
Manually compared.
Yes, Your Honor.
But we don't know that unless we also manually compare.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. Thank you. I just want to clarify that and think about it more.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Villanueva?